Hey, how are you? I hope you are doing great. So, first of all, I want to ask you one amazing question, that is you're using Google for driving traffic, leads, conversion or not? If you're not using it, then start using it, okay? But see, if you're already using it, then I have one more thing to you. Like you can say own the traffic, okay? So this video is going to be about that how you can own the traffic and how you can build your own ecosystem to drive the traffic. Because see, if you're depending on SEO, it's good, SEO is great, and I can say SEO is not dead, or it can't be dead, okay? So SEO is just amazing, okay? But if you want to own the traffic, okay, like you are just doing the product launch and you want to promote it, okay, so you can't promote it through Google, okay? You can't promote, like you can write the article and it will take time to rank, okay? So this is the thing. But if you are like owning the traffic, then I can say you can easily control the traffic, okay, as I shared over here, okay? So just see this, okay? So I hope you got an idea. Okay, so let me tell you. So the first thing is free traffic. Yes, if you are like owning the traffic, I can say it's free. Okay, because if you are getting traffic from Google and like you can converting them into leads or subscriber, then I can say it's free. So if they are in leads, you can like send them emails and you can do so many things. Okay, and I can say you can easily control the traffic. Okay, the traffic you own, you can easily control it. And the number one reason I can say, because if you have a like push notification or something like that, if you have built the ecosystem, so you can see that how much traffic you are driving from different sources. Okay, so you can see which traffic sources converting well for you. Okay, so there are so many things you can do, and I can say Google is best, and also own traffic is also best. Because see, if you are owning the traffic, means you are owning the audience. Like if you own the traffic, then conversion will be yours. Okay, but these are the, I can say, four things or four benefits of own the traffic. But see how you can own the traffic right now in this year 2020. So see, if you are getting traffic from Google or something else like FB ads or Instagram ads, see they are not, I can say FB ads are not, I can say they are not permanent. Okay, when you will run ads, you will get the traffic, okay? But the subscribers and the leads are permanent. Okay, so try to make the ecosystem, okay? Try to gather the information of the user, like you can make him to subscribe your YouTube channel. Like basically I can say you have to build the ecosystem to connect them each and every time, okay, to share them value. Okay, you have seen my Telegram group, and the reason I have made my Telegram is to like help the people and like to tell them the updates and all these things. Okay, so you can do several things. You can like use ManyChat in your website, Messenger bot, sorry, or you can use several other things. Okay, so this is the thing that I want to tell. Own the traffic. Okay, when you own the traffic, I can say you can easily control the conversions and you can see how much money you are making from the traffic. Okay, and if you are doing some product launches, like if you are making your products own product, then what you can do, you can just shoot the email. Like you can just tell your audience and they will purchase it. And one thing I want to tell you, that if you are doing product launches and something like that, then owning the traffic will be good. Okay, because recently we did a launch, okay, of our case study, and on the first day, like in 8 hours, we have generated around 100 sales. Okay, 100 sales we have generated in 8 hours. Okay, with free traffic, we didn't did anything. We have sent like emails, and we did a Facebook live, and yeah, that's it. Instagram promotion, nothing else. Okay, so that's the power of owning the traffic. Okay, so yeah, I hope you love this particular video, and if you love this, like just drop the like, okay, and just comment down below that are you owning the traffic or not. Okay, and if you want more videos on other topics, just let me know in the comment section. Okay, so for now, bye bye. And one more thing before you go, that if you haven't joined my Telegram group, then join it right now, because I am sharing lots of information, lots of updates related to my courses, upcoming free courses. Okay, so yeah, that's it, and I will see you in the new video. Cheers.